Here are some amazing facts about Manta Ray. General characteristics. Largest ray species. Manta rays are the largest rays in the ocean. Species. There are two species, the reef Manta Ray Manta alfredi and the giant Manta Ray Manta birostris. Wingspan. Giant manta rays can have a wingspan up to 7 meters 23 feet. Weight. They can weigh up to 1,600 kilograms 3,500 pounds. Longevity. Manta rays can live up to 50 years. Cartilaginous. Like sharks, their skeletons are made of cartilage, not bone. No stinger. Manta rays lack the venomous tail stinger common to other rays. Countershading. They have dark dorsal surfaces and light ventral surfaces, which helps with camouflage. Filter feeders. Manta rays feed by filtering plankton and small fish from the water. Gill rakers. They use gill rakers, a comb-like structure, to filter food. Continuous feeders. Manta rays are continuous swimmers, constantly feeding as they move. Movement and behavior. Flight like swimming, their swimming style resembles underwater flying. Speed. They can swim up to 9 miles per hour 14 kilometers/h. Migratory. Mantas are migratory and travel long distances across oceans. Leaping. They can leap out of the water, a behavior known as breaching. Mating displays. Males perform acrobatic courtship displays to attract females. Solitary creatures. Manta rays are mostly solitary but may form aggregations in feeding areas. Curious nature. They are known to be curious and sometimes approach divers. Self-awareness. Mantas have shown signs of self-awareness, passing the mirror test in experiments. Depth range. They can dive as deep as 1,000 meters 3,280 feet. Endothermy. Mantas can regulate their body temperature, allowing them to dive into cooler waters. Reproduction and life cycle. Viviparous. Manta rays give live birth. Gestation period. The gestation period lasts about a year. Single offspring. Usually, only one pup is born at a time. Pup size. Manta ray pups are large at birth, around 1.2 to 1.5 meters 4 to 5 feet wide. Mating frequency. Female mantas may only reproduce every 2 to 5 years. Parental care. After birth, manta ray pups are independent and receive no parental care. Diet and feeding habits. Planktivores. They primarily eat zooplankton, krill, and small fish. Feeding loops. They form feeding loops or somersaults to increase food intake. Upwelling zones. Mantas are often found near upwelling zones where nutrient-rich water brings abundant food. Habitat and distribution. Tropical waters. Mantas are found in warm, tropical, and subtropical waters. Coastal and open waters. They inhabit both coastal regions and open oceans. Coral reefs. Reef mantas are often seen around coral reefs. Global distribution. Manta rays are distributed across the world's oceans, from the Atlantic to the Pacific. Sensory abilities. Electroreception. Mantas can detect electric fields, helping them find prey. Keen eyesight. They have excellent vision, especially in low light. Chemoreception. Mantas have a strong sense of smell to detect food in the water. Lateral line. Their lateral line detects vibrations and movement in the water. Conservation and threats. Endangered status. The giant manta ray is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Bycatch. Mantas are often caught accidentally as bycatch in fishing nets. Gill raker trade. Mantas are targeted for their gill rakers, used in traditional medicine. Pollution. Ocean pollution, including plastic and chemical runoff, threatens their habitat. Overfishing. Overfishing in some areas reduces manta ray populations. Conservation efforts, marine protected areas MPAs and fishing regulations are helping conserve manta populations. Ecotourism, manta ray ecotourism provides incentives for protecting their habitats. Unique biological traits. Cephalic lobes, manta rays have a pair of cephalic lobes on either side of their head to help funnel food into their mouths. Large brains, mantas have the largest brain-to-body ratio of any fish. Smarter than sharks, studies suggest mantas are more intelligent than sharks. Color variations, mantas come in different color patterns, including black, white, and a mix of both. Albino mantas have been observed, although they are very rare. Cleaning stations, mantas visit cleaning stations, where small fish remove parasites from their skin. Cultural and historical facts. Mythological creatures, in some cultures, manta rays are considered mythological creatures. Hawaiian legends, Hawaiians believed manta rays were symbols of protection and guidance.